Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. How about we learn a new delicious quick and easy salad recipe? I'm Victor and today we are going to learn how to prepare a tuna and basil pasta salad. Let's go! Right, ingredients. All you need for this recipe for 4 people is 400 grams of fusilli pasta. You can use other pasta, of course. However, I found that it works particularly well with fusilli. A tin of tuna, 160 grams. Better choose tuna in olive oil if you can. Fresh basil leaves. I suggest at least a dozen leaves, but you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. 1 onion. Capers. You'll be using 4 to 5 teaspoons depending on your taste, or you may not want any capers at all, but come on, it's better with. Small cherry tomatoes, about 20. You don't have to add tomatoes to this recipe, but again, it's better with, and it adds some nice summery red color to your salad. And for the vinaigrette, extra virgin olive oil. Any olive oil will do, of course, but extra virgin is nicer. 5 tablespoons. Balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Red wine vinegar is fine too, but I prefer balsamic. And then salt and pepper. Now the gear. You only need a few really basic utensils for this. We are not going to break the bank here. You need a scale, which can be digital or old school like mine. A colander, a salad bowl, a saucepan, a chopping board, a sharp knife, a wooden spoon, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon. And that's all. Before you start, fill a large saucepan with lots of water, add a drop of olive oil, a little bit of salt, and put it to boil. In the meantime, you can prepare the vinaigrette. So you're going to mix olive oil together with vinegar, salt, and pepper. All that directly in the salad bowl. Then chop the onion. Now add it to the vinaigrette. Give it a good stir. Oh, it's smelling great already. When the water boils, put the pasta in and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Just check from time to time to see if the pasta is cooked to your taste. While the pasta is cooking, rinse the basil and then the tomatoes under cold water. Now chop the basil and cut the tomatoes in halves. Wow, that peppery smell of the basil is amazing, and it's really key to giving your salad this special flavor. When the pasta is ready, drain it in the colander. and mix the pasta with the vinaigrette while it's still hot. Starting to look good. Now leave it to cool down. When your pasta has cooled down, add everything else. The tuna, basil, tomatoes, and the capers. Mix it all together, and voila! It's super simple and so tasty. You can eat it straight away, but it's actually even better the next day. So keep it in the fridge and have it for lunch tomorrow. Let's check it out. Great flavors from the tuna, basil, the vinaigrette, the capers, and the onions all together. Fantastic. Have a good time. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will get on right now preparing a delicious tuna and basil pasta salad. Please click on the like button and leave a comment. We have more cool recipes for all occasions, so if you're interested in developing your skills in homemade French cooking, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. À bientôt!